In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email sequences in Freshsales. Email sequences in Freshsales help you automate a series of emails for your contacts, which is especially useful for outreach, onboarding, and lead nurturing. Before you begin, make sure you've already created the email templates you want to use. In this example, we'll be working with 3 prepared emails. Start by logging into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside, go to Settings, then open Teams and Territories. From there, click on Workflows. This is where you can build automations that trigger actions based on contact activity. Next, click Create Workflow. Enter a clear workflow name. In this example, the workflow is named Email Sequences. After that, select Contacts as the module. This means the automation will run using contact records, so it's ideal when you want to send emails directly to people stored in your CRM. Now choose a trigger and set it to run when a contact is created. This tells Freshsales to start the sequence as soon as a new contact is added. Then select once for each contact, which ensures the workflow only runs one time per person and avoids duplicate sends. After that, add a condition by choosing Contact, then set the field to Primary Email, and make sure the operator is not empty. This is an important filter because the workflow should only continue if the contact actually has an email address. Now it's time to add your first action. Select Send Email to Contact, then choose your first template, which in this example is Welcome New Leads. Set it to send immediately when the contact is created. By default, the email will be sent from the record owner, and replies will also go back to the record owner. If needed, you can also add CC or BCC recipients for visibility or internal tracking. Then click Save. Next, add another action. Select Contacts again. Choose Send Email to Contact, and this time pick the follow-up email template. Add a delay of 12 hours before this email goes out. This spacing helps the sequence feel more natural instead of sending everything at once. Then save again. For the final action, add one more email under Contacts, choose Send Email to Contact, and select the last follow-up template. Set the delay to 23 hours and 30 minutes. Since Freshsales uses hours for delays instead of days, this is a practical way to create roughly next-day timing. Then click Save. Before turning the workflow on, you can test it first to make sure everything behaves as expected. Once you're satisfied, click Enable. As a best practice, keep your emails concise, personalized, and focused on one clear call to action. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.